Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lizzie and you're welcome to the family. If you're a returning viewer, you are also most welcome back. Thank you for sharing the love. Thank you for viewing and watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. As some people have asked me that, oh, why have I not been posting all my videos on WhatsApp? I haven't because I haven't had time to be posting on every single channel, media platform that I have. So just please don't forget to subscribe because then you will get notified. I won't have to tell you. YouTube will tell you there's a new video out. So I don't want you missing out on any videos because it's 2020 and these days everybody's trying to save money because there's just too many expenses these days. I mean, whether you live in America, you live in the UK, wherever you live, even Nigeria, there's just so much expenses. So any like this so far I've been showing you different receipts in terms of things where you can save a couple of pounds, a couple of euros. Yeah, and also in terms of today's video, it's a check-in again in terms of the 1 penny/1 cent challenge. If you are new here, you have not seen the video, I'm going to leave a link in the top here somewhere, and I will also leave the link in the description box to the 1 penny challenge. Quick overview, 1 penny challenge is basically where we save 1p each day. So on the 1st of January, we started with 1p, the 2nd of January will be 2p, 3rd of January 3p, 4th of January 4p, and so on. So we add 1p each day more to the previous day's amount. And if we do that every day this year, 2022, you will have more than £600 or euros saved at the end of the year. Or if you are doing it in dollars for my USA friends, then it will be dollars. And the reason I decided to challenge everyone this year is because I realized 1p, people don't take 1p, 1 cent, €1 is anything. It's just like, it's just whatever. But actually, it's made me realize that the pennies, the pence, the cents do count. And so that 1 penny can actually amount to something if you save it consistently every day for the year. So that 600 plus pounds or euros or dollars, you could use that maybe towards a holiday. You could use it towards maybe giving to a church, for charity, maybe for yourself, for Christmas, maybe your family's Christmas budget shopping, food, clothes, gifts. It's not going to affect your pocket, and you've got some money saved at the end of the year. Remember, this channel is about helping you save money, and make your money work harder. As I said, it's your money. You have worked for it. You want to enjoy it. But if there are tips or ways you can enjoy it better, or in terms of saving, that's not going to really affect you too much, then this is definitely one of them. So I'm challenging you. If you've not started the challenge, you can still start today. All you need to do is catch up. If you would like a sheet which shows in terms of how much you should save each day or which day you should be on by now, just drop me an email. I will send it to you for free. I can send you it for free, the link, or I can send you the actual Excel file. It's free. I'll just send it to you because this channel that I'm going to repeat is about helping you save money, make money, and make your money work harder. If we follow this challenge, we will have more than £600 at the end of the year, used for Christmas shopping, maybe treat yourself, give it to a church, a charity, do whatever you want with it. It's up to you, but it's your money you've saved. And as I mentioned in the original video for this 1 penny challenge, 1 cent challenge, it's a fun thing to do with your children. So if you have a child, just like each day, put a 1p into a box. Or the other way that some people might want to do it is if they've got internet banking, just transferring 1p, then 2p, then 3p each day into a savings account, and they will see it grow. For some of my savvy people who might say, but if I take out the money and pull it in physically each day, I'm losing interest. So you've got another way of doing it, which is to just use your phone, transfer 1p, 2p, 3p, so each day. So yeah, if you've not started the challenge, I'm challenging you. And if you have started the challenge and you're a bit behind, don't worry, you can catch up. If you don't know which day you should be on, just drop me an email, drop me a comment in the comment section or an email, and I can send you the sheet which tells you how much you should have saved by now and what day you should be on. And you can catch up by just filling in the blanks in terms of putting in the money you needed to get to the day you should be on. And it's that simple. I can't wait to hear you all and your updates in December, and see how it's all gone on and how much were you able to save. Yeah. So, and what you plan to do with the money that you may have saved. Give it to charity, a church, spend it yourself, your child. Maybe you just want to treat yourself to a holiday. Maybe you're going to use it to pay towards a debt, a credit card, a loan. You know, it's in your court. But what I'm challenging you is, are you ready to do that challenge? If you've not started, and if you have, maybe you've gone off track, it's fine. You can jump back on track again. So, yeah, that's it. Reminder of our challenge for 2022. The 1 penny / 1 cent challenge. I will put the video, as I said earlier, in the description box, and I would have also put it at the top here earlier in the video for those who've not watched that video to watch it. And yeah, 2022, 1 penny, 1 cent challenge. I challenge you. Are you ready? Thank you. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.